Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today I am going to make caramel custard in a microwave oven. It can be made in just 5 minutes. Let's begin. Into a ramekin or any microwave safe mug, add 1 tablespoon of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of water and give it a mix. Microwave till the sugar is golden brown in color. It took me approximately 2 minutes and 15 seconds. This time will vary depending upon the power of your microwave. Mine is a 1000-watt microwave. You will have to adjust the cooking time depending upon the power of your microwave. So keep an eye on it. Into a bowl, add 1 egg, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Whisk till it is well combined. Sieve and pour the mixture into the ramekins. Microwave for 30 seconds. Stir without touching the bottom of the ramekin. Microwave for another 30 seconds. Repeat this process till it starts bubbling. Cover the ramekin with a cling wrap and microwave it for another 10 seconds. Refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. Release the side and tip it over a plate. Enjoy the delicious caramel custard. Until next time, happy cooking.